Yo, Harlow. Always get here early. How's it going, bud? Happy hump day. Wednesday. Hey, Indy. Hey, that's me talking. Welcome, my friend. Welcome back. Good to see you. I know it's been a while. Uh-oh. Looks like we're having... You're still in Florida? Nice. Why is the chat not connected? Alright. Weird. You took 3 walks? Nice, man. Sounds pretty good. Good for you. Yeah, what the hell? We're having some issues on the YouTube full size for some reason. Should not be an issue. I definitely don't need to create it. Yeah, this is the old one. But it didn't start a new one. That's not good. I'm doing good, Harlow. Thanks for asking, my friend. I am a little tired. I had a pretty long day. I also had a gig today. I was recording some vocals on a metal song for somebody. Well, it looks like we lost the full-size YouTube for some reason. I don't really know why. I definitely created... Well, Restream's supposed to create it. I wonder if I can create it right now on the fly. Let me try. I don't think I can because I'm already live. Oh no, it does say I'm live. What the hell? Oh, maybe it just went live. Hold on. Is it unlisted? No, it's public. Oh, here it is. God, sometimes it takes so long I don't realize it. Alright, cool. We good. Okay, but I am having an issue with Restream. Messages aren't showing up in my chat, so that is not good. I need to reopen that. You woke up 9K steps. Wow, I woke up 7:30, took a walk. Man, that's awesome. Hey, William Boswell. Studious name, I appreciate it. Mr. Boswell, how's it going? Let's make sure the other camera's working fine. Doop, 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 doop. Yeah. Looking good. And then we got this today. Cool. Dog's great. We have golden retriever got neutered, so that's a thing. And but they use the new laser technology to do the actual surgery, so he's healed surprisingly well and quickly. So I am stoked on that. But he's a nightmare. So he's got way too much energy still. Can't wait for him to calm down. Yeah, I'm reading YouTube chat. Well, let's see. Have you considered the Half-Life thing? Oh, hey Ron. How's it going? Yeah. Yeah, I'll work it in. There's lots of time. I'm definitely gonna add something. I like the Half-Life idea. You gonna go to bed? Alright, man. Thanks for jumping in, Indy. I'll keep your hold on, let me get make sure your stream avatar is running. So I can keep it alive while you're gone. Okay, I really need to get the damn restream chat back because I cannot see messages easily. Where the hell's that coming from? Alright, wait. Docs. Chat. Come on, buddy. Give me the messages. Okay. Well, now it's showing both, so maybe the messages will start coming in. Cool. Gooda, gooda. Alright, where did we leave off yesterday? I know we were pretty busy having conversations and stuff, so I don't think I went too far. Ooh, was that Metal? Was that what I thought it was? Are they making Twisted Metal?
You know why I started Foresight Grain.
Movie. There we go. It's showing now. Hey, say you a game dev. I want your view on Stop Killing Games. Oh, you want my view on it?
Was to stretch the boundaries of
I think it's a good idea. I mean, I honestly, I really hate software as a service, even though it's like my entire life. But like as a consumer, I really hate that you don't own anything nowadays. Streaming services suck because you have to have like 10 of them in order to get what you want. You know what I mean? On a consistent basis. So like I lose my shows. Like I pay for the service, I want the shows. You know what I mean? At least you can actually buy movies on YouTube and stuff, which is what we do mostly. But even that, you know. Anyway, Stop Killing Games. Yeah, I think people that buy games, especially with campaigns, should be able to always play those games after they buy it. I mean, it's just, it makes the most sense. So, and I like the idea of them handing over the code and making it, you know, public afterwards. I think that's really cool because the amount of like awesome modded servers that people have for some of these games already, you know, it has a life of its own. The only problem is like, if they're that popular that people want to own this and have their own servers and run the game themselves, I mean, why would they get rid of the game in the first place, right? They can still capitalize off it, so I don't know. Maybe it'll force them to, you know, fix current games and stop churning out new ones. You know? Upgrade games instead of always fucking coming out with a new, completely different game. But don't worry, everybody. I'll never let Escape to Orbem die. That is my promise. Even if I just have to pay for the domain name forever. Oh, that's pretty cool. So the phone showed up exactly where it's supposed to. Grand. Oh, I remember where we left off. We were doing art. And I said I'd just do it off stream, but I didn't. So we're going to have to get back into that. William Boswell. Fantastic. Hey, Shinx Tech. I made a living AI free will system if you want to know more. Well, I'm concerned, Shinex Tech, are you the free will AI and you want to talk about yourself? Or did you actually make something and you want to talk about it? I'd love to hear about it. I'm always interested in more. So, continue. No and yes. Are you just dictating to your AI and your AI is talking for you? That would be no and yes in my book. That's awesome. Tell me about it. Free will, huh? What does that mean? What does free will mean? They're not engineers who build games. They are corporate. And they want money. That's the problem. I don't know why they don't listen to consumers if they want profit. Consumer satisfaction is all they need. Yeah. 100%. I don't know what they're trying to do. I think the problem is that it is so corporate now. CEOs, CTOs, CFOs, it's all these officers and the board of directors. Once a company gets so big, like Ubisoft and all that kind of stuff, once they get that big, then there's so many cooks in the kitchen, and a lot of people from a lot of different walks of life, and a lot of older people who think they're in touch, but have a lot of pressure from a lot of other people, so they're not playing their games every day. And if they are, then they're just being fucking pussies, and they're listening to people and having to just cater to the stakeholders and that kind of stuff, which give and take. You have to make money and you have to make your consumers happy. It's all about like compounding profits, making more money every year, like to show that there's growth and that the company is thriving. I don't get that either. No, it's me. You should look at my fire drop one, but it's not for everyone. Keep it secret if you understand, please. I'll show how to do it. As a programmer, you would love it. I'm confused by that statement, Shinex. Wait, you're saying I should look at your fire drop one? I don't know what that means. What's a fire drop one? You like Gabe for the many reasons he's connected to consumers and always keeps like gaming companies should be. Who's Gabe? Oh, you have a video on your channel? Yeah, cool. I'll check it out. Check it out sometime. There we go. Almost perfect. Gabe Newell, CEO of Valve. Oh, Valve. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, Valve is sick. If not, it's okay. I just wanted to share with Man of Science. Hell yeah. No, Shinix, I'll definitely check it out. And GG, your game improved a lot. Never stop, thank you. Appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, no, I'll check out your AI stuff soon. And are you in the Discord, Shinx? You should jump in there. We could talk. I can give you comments about it while I'm not streaming. Keep it secret. Keep it secret. Loop. Speaking of Discord, I am in here. Wave to Sama. Why? Add friend. Yes. I have added you as a friend. Okay, hold on. Okay, sorry. I got lost in my Discord. Yeah, you'll join by tomorrow. Cool. It's under videos? Perfect. I'll check it out. That's exciting. I like some new AI stuff. Okay. So, I think what we need to do... I'm really having a hard time, like, deciding what to do right now. Still. This is the problem we ran into. And I got sidetracked by updating the website functionality. So, this time we're going to continue the game functionality. We'll do that. So that's like the things you're going to do in the game. So that means the next thing to do is talk to the onboarder. So we'll need her avatar. So let's actually get her avatar going. I don't need to add all the animation yet. We can always finish that later. These are all recovered. I will not. Actually, I'm kind of worried. Should I? Let me save him in case I didn't before. I hate that. And then I end up having a bunch of duplicates. This is, oh God, I clicked the wrong button. Fantastic. And then this, I do not think I need. This, I will save just in case as well. Card, Thyrus card. Okay. Because some of these I don't save the PSD by accident. And this is the CNC. Let's save that in case. CNC back. Okay. And crowbar. We already have. I don't need to save that. Alright. Awesome. Gabe Newell. So, let's go ahead and let's see if we can find all the avatars, because I have all the characters' new avatars already, but it's going to take a little bit of finagling. Is it in game creatives? I think it is. Let's look up avatar. I think it's called like new avatars or something. Oh, do I already have her new? Oh, I think I already have it. Nice. No, this is wrong. This is like her full size. Try again. Avatar. Welcome to the avatar. Nope. I meant to search game creatives. There we go. Avatar. Okay, I think it's a PSD. No. Hey! Cubic meter Sama. What up, bud? You know what that means. Let's see if we can get that stream avatar going. No? Let's try again. Where is it? Oh, there it goes. Where's the Let's just look at PSD. It has all the characters in it next to each other. I gotta like export them. I like the new little stream avatar floating in the phone. That's a good one. Uh-oh. By the way, today's stream is brought to you by Flex Keys. Do you need more agility and dexterity in your fingers, guys? Are you a programmer like me? Maybe you play piano. And you want to be faster, more accurate? I got the perfect tool for that. That's Flex Keys. Brought to you by Orbem Order. The shop that brought you Escape to Orbem and my face. Only for $4.99. Check it out. Simply go to flexkeys.shop and it'll take you right to the product page. $4.99. And guess what? You can get these in any color combination. The shell and the keys are separated. Blue and white, orange and white. Ooh, that's like a half and half bar. Orange and gray, whatever. Your favorite sports team. Start flexing. Get it now. Ship anywhere in the US. And the best part is I will literally create them for you live if you order them while I'm streaming. Check it out. We have a printer right there. Whoop. Start flexing. Get two. You have two hands, don't you? Alright. Back to business. Let's go in the game creatives. Hey, C-Films! How you doing, man? Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Oh yeah, we still need to update the... oh, new avatars. This is it. Oh no. There we go. Yeah, see, she's all short now, too. I think she looks good. Alright, let's copy this. Let's get a new one going. Let's make sure there's a little bit of space. I need to get the scale. So let's grab what's his face. Gotta ask, did you remove my email from the last video? Yeah, it should be all blurry now. If it's not, I'll have to talk to my editor. Alright. Let's see here. So we gotta get... Let's grab... I just need one of the avatars from... Like, Graham avatar. Let's just grab one of the static ones. And then let's see what kind of height we have going on here. Because I think I give him a little bit of breathing room on both sides. Yeah, I do. So let's give her a little breathing room. Won't be like before. Like before. And then let's give her a little bit of breathing room on the left and right. Oh well, no, wait, no, we should keep that center actually. Yeah, let's just leave that alone. Cool. Now we can do, what's the height? 1027. Let's match it here. And that would be 572 width. So let's give her a 572. There we go. Now she's the same size. And I think they definitely feel like they're in the same world. Okay. Now we can actually just export this as her static image. And like I said, I don't have to create all the different views right now. And that would be, what, 103? 185? I think that's the size. And we'll add this to Game Creatives. Create a new folder. Iona avatar. Fantastic. And then it's going to be Iona I guess this would be static. Down. I don't know. Whatever. Got to keep chatting for some hehe crystals. Those are dormants. They are the currency of Orbem. They're called dormants because Homonians, which are like a super being, super intelligent being, multi-universal being, they most of their technology is based off like crystals, like for powering it, for, you know, power sources and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, they left a bunch of crystals basically after they, you know, kind of not left Orbem, but, you know, receded from Orbem. And all the dormant ones are the ones they use for actually for currency. And if they aren't dormant, they're very expensive. So that's why. All right, now that we have her, let's add her as a character. We'll try it out on the front end. We'll add a new character. This is Iona. What? We'll give her a featured image, even though it doesn't matter. It's mostly for her chatting. Alright. Oop. And I think her starting position, I'll have to check where I want to put her. But she's going to be in Foresight. Nope, I'm sorry, Virus. And she is going to be a crewmate, but not yet. And her voice, I forgot what I was going to pick for her. I think her voice was like Romanian, which I don't remember what the Romanian symbol is. Is it RO? We'll try that. And Wander, no. She is going to have a path, but we'll have to define that later. Oh, cool. I can actually add her images here, too. Nice. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Let's just make them all the same right now. I think she's only going to need up and down. I don't think she's going to need all of them. She's going to walk down and walk up. And I don't think she's walking left. Yeah, I don't remember. I'm going to have to figure out where she's going to walk. We'll just leave it for now. And she definitely... Oh yeah, path trigger. So this is where it's going to make her start walking. So let's get that set up. First off, where is she going to start? This is your onboarder. This is actually another one of the main characters that you get to play as. And but at first she's just onboarding you into the new facility. So we're gonna meet her. Okay, so I think where I want to put the trigger is right like here. I want her to basically be triggered right when you leave. So we'll do like, just so you can't miss it. And I guess maybe I could make it even closer. 3647. So this is going to be 3647 by 1460. The height's going to be like whatever, 50 by like 300. Okay. And the trigger will make her walk, but her starting position, I'll just make it like up high. So, but we'll do like 2000 or something. 2000 by 1500. And her height will be 103 by 185. Seems to be my normal size. This is the love interest. Ooh. Alright. I think this will get us started. Let's submit. Alright. Let's see where she is. And we'll move her around. Because she honestly doesn't have to start this high. Oh, there she is. Oh, I got the sizing backwards. I always do that. She looks great. Excuse. Height is 185 by 103. There we go. Whoa, what? What happened? Why didn't that work? That's weird. Interesting. Well, it worked, but that's weird that it didn't work initially. Yeah, she looks good. Oh, she's kind of big. She's supposed to be definitely shorter than me. That might be a problem. Let's make her smaller. I might have to change her avatar. She's kind of giant. Let's check. So how big should we make her? Let's do, so if it's not going to be 103, then it's going to have to be like 90 by 162. Let's try that out. Um, 162 by 90. Hopefully this works. It did not. Well, I'm gonna have to figure that out. Might just be an issue with characters, sizing the characters. Items probably still work. Okay. There we go. That's looking a little bit more natch. Yeah, looks good. Cool. Strut. Okay, well she's obviously too high though. So let's bring her down. And I think I just want her to walk right down the center too. So next we'll record her walking path. And so I'll basically trigger it here. And then I want her to come down like all the way to here. I don't want her to walk into you though. I want her to just make herself known basically. So let's get the recording path going. Hopefully this works, because the other thing doesn't. Alright, record walking path. So now everywhere I move her will be her walking path. I think I'm just going to do a straight shot down to here. And we'll call that a day. Let's see if the, oh, it is there. Good. So the trigger's right there. This should be triggering her walking path, basically. So when you first leave, you're going to do that, and she's going to start walking down. Though I need to set her walking speed and stuff, so let's actually go into her character. So time between we don't need to do. Speed. I really need to put like a range on the meta box because I completely forget what the speed range is. That's a good idea. Thanks, me. That's a great idea. So let's go to Salverson. And his speed is pretty quick. 65. Okay. So I think it's fine doing it like that. I think the higher the number, the faster, if I remember. But the other one is like point something when it's a wandering speed. Okay. So she has her path right there. Oh no. Why did the first one be... Is it 0? That's not good. Should probably delete that. Alright, well, let's give it a shot. We'll walk here, we'll hit the trigger and see if she walks properly. Is she just gonna walk on load? No. Okay, good. Because that is a setting, right? Path. No. I think on load. Yeah, if there's no path trigger, it loads on load. Okay, good. Cool. Alright, let's see if it works. Oh, there she goes. Perfect. And she's completely in my way. Love it. Actually, I think it's more about the walls. The walls are kind of janky. Yeah, I don't know why it's like that. Cool. So now we need to add her cutscene. And it'll be the same, you know, it'll be like an interactive cutscene. I wonder though, I think I had a mission in the demo, I mean in the local demo that I built, and that is to talk to your onboarder. Did he tell me about the onboarder? Maybe I should add that to his phone message. Let me unmute this real quick. What do I say? Why is this not working? Huh? Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to fix that. Why is it not playing? Oh, it's engaged. Huh. But it's not playing. No console error either. More bugs. The main character is a woman. One of them, yeah. She's a POV character in the book. So you're actually, you read the book as her for like, I don't know, maybe a third of the book. Yeah. There's 2 female main characters and 2 male main characters. But 2 POV characters. It's him and her. And, you know, it's pretty interesting dynamic throughout the books. Seeing the world through both of their eyes. Especially that they kind of like have a thing. You're faded AF. What's going on, Kai myself? Welcome to the WordPress game engine development. The best thing to do when you're high is watch this. I must say there's nothing better. Wait, did I forget to do the damn Twitch game? Or did I do that? Am I tripping? Am I also tripping? Am I high? Nope, I forgot. I'm the worst Twitch streamer in the world. There we go. You know, just for that, I'm gonna snooze and add. Perfect. Watching a person say, forgot. Pog. I forgot. Okay, so we have her walking trigger. And if you're not paying attention, she'll run right into you. You've been here before. Oh, okay. Brought up vibe coding. Oh, and don't do it if you don't know, even basic. Nice. Welcome back, Kai myself. Good to see you. This is the best way to choose to spend your Wednesday. Unless it's Thursday for you already, then you're Thursday. Okay. So let's get the cutscene going. Why did I get logged out? Yeah, we'll do cutscenes. And we'll do... Oh, I also need to do the mission. And this is talk to Fiona. And this will be... ooh, we gotta pull the book out now. This is book 1. Okay, welcome to Thyrus. Here we go. Hello, Mr. Milford. That's the first line. And I'm very clueless at this point. King Kai, Goku's not here today. Nope, it's Wednesday for you? Alright, good. This is gonna be Iona. And then we'll do next. Boop. Come on. Oh my god. Why won't this let me? Okay, whatever. And then next is me, I think. Oh no, I think she talks again. Ahem. Because I am not paying attention. Because that's just the kind of guy I am. Not paying attention. You're only 50 short, and I will have the power to waste the crystals of dormant. Perfect. I can't wait. You hate the English language pronunciation, that is? Oh. I do too. Which one are you? Which word do you hate? Did I say something wrong? And then I say, oh, I'm sorry, can I help you? Even though she already asked, she already said what she wanted to say. Just clueless, dude. And then, hello, Mr. Milford. Do 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 do. Oh, hello. Wednesday, and rural. It's just those words shouldn't be spelled like that. Oh, I agree. Batman appears. Oh man, don't tell everybody that. Now there's no reason to read it. Batman. It's Dr. Negrescu, blah blah blah, be your onboarder, blah 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 blah. Okay, hold on. I pulled too much. Do da da do da do da do da. Everybody's a doctor. Everybody's a doctor. You replayed South Park, The Stick of Truth. That's awesome. It's a fantastic game. One of my favorite games. Yeah, I didn't play the new one yet. Or was that the Fractured Butthole? I haven't played that one yet. But I really like the original. It's literally walking around South Park. It makes me so happy. Do 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 do. Okay, actually, I need to stop here. So, follow me, please. So now she's gonna walk, and I have to go follow her, and then talk again, and it'll be a second cutscene. Snow day. It blows. Oh, snow day. Yeah, but hole is good. But compact gets stale. Yeah. Fractured Butthole. Actually, I think I have played. Snow Day is the one I haven't played. You're right. Yeah, it looked You know what I thought it was? I thought they remastered the original N64 South Park game. Did you ever play that? When I saw Snow Days, I'm like, oh my god, they're remaking fucking the original South Park video game. Because it kind of had very similar 3D vibes to it. And I was so happy. But then I realized it was just like nothing. Fractured what hole? Yeah, fractured butthole. The cutscene is gonna be... oh yeah, I need to add the music. I'll do that. So this one is... I need to add the trigger. Oh, character is gonna be Iona. And then I need the position right here, cutscene position. You played it on an EMU, but no, I get what you mean. Yeah, concept similar, but not good execution. Yeah, exactly. You know what? Maybe I should make this auto move him to her. Because right now, you could miss the cutscene. And it's kind of important that you talk to her to move the story along. Yeah, but you could ignore her, I guess, and just walk around. Whatever. We'll see. Maybe it's not a big deal. So the trigger is right here. I will match her positioning because I want to be the same. So let's go jump over to her again. Eon. You played South Park Kart, though. Oh, I haven't played that. Is that good? That I have not played at all. I have not played this game you speak of. Nope. That's not what I meant to do. Cutscene trigger. Actually, yeah. Is it cutscene trigger or is it this? I forget actually now. What does this do? Hold on, let me look at how Andy is set up. So he has a cutscene trigger as well. Okay, so I'm using the cutscene trigger. Got it. Yeah, I forget what this is for then. Whatever. Okay, so I need to match her. Wait, no. I need to go to characters. Oh, it's on N64 as well? Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. It would be. It would be. Alright, let's match these for the cutscene trigger. That'd be fun, though. Especially some couch co-op with some buddies on the... Oh, man. Playing some South Park Kart. That'd be freaking cool. Alright. Sorry. Wife came in. I took a bite of food. And did not feel like chewing in your ear. Okay. Also check the Hidden Palace. Palace. There was a cancel South Park game similar in style to Hit and Run. That's interesting. That's pretty cool. Okay. What was it doing? Cutscene trigger. Oh, I was matching her height and width. 90. Okay, so let's do a little bit of math, though. I want it to be like 50 higher on both sides. So that means it's going to be 262. I need the width to be 50 on both sides. So that's 190. That means I need to move it to the left 50. So that'll be 25, whatever, 80. Something like that. Two 580, and then let's move it. Oh, that's up, and then left 50, so let's go. Oh, 2. Alright. Should probably work. And we're going to make this engagement. And I think it's going to definitely be mission, not dependent, but it's going to finish a mission. And I always forget which one it is, so I have to wait. Hold on. Let's go back to the cutscene to match what I did. God, I have to label these better. This is really annoying. So, it's mission complete cutscene. That's the one. Alright, but we have to create the mission first. So let's go ahead and publish this. Dark Souls played with a digital piano. Ooh. I don't know what that means. Rats I cannot modify the emotes. What a pain. Oh, rats. Okay. Dark Souls on a computer, basically. Yeah. I like that. Okay, so let's just double check that the cutscene works first. And see what her voice sounds like, actually. Hold on. So she's gonna walk here, and then... Oh, okay. Well, it doesn't look like her trigger is showing up. So I did something wrong. Oh, god damn it. I forgot to put the area. Area. No. Where's the area? Where's the area? Right here. Virus. Okay, now it'll show up. Only problem is the trigger shows up before she gets there. So technically, she'll already be triggered. Alright, there she is. Still no trigger? What the fuck? Okay, now the trigger should be there though. Virus. Yep, that's the right area. this, Thyrus. I connected it to Iona. I added engagement cutscene triggers right here. Yeah, this is it, man. The hell? What did I do? Did I do something different in his? No. Thyrus, yes. Cutscene, good. Engagement, yeah. His has a mission. His has a character. And his does the CNC. Yeah. Alright. So this should work. Unless I put in the coordinates. Oh, I'm so dumb. The trigger's all up where she started. I was supposed to put it where she ends. God damn it. I'm a dumb. You can call me a dumb. Close to Adam, but it's a dumb. Alright, this. Where does she end? That is 3281. So 3281 minus 50 is 3231. And same left position. Okay, cool. Now the trigger will be there. Is my profile painting background worthy in the game? Profile painting background. You left the triggers up. What? Sometimes, Sama. I don't understand the words you say. You want to add a paint background to my game? I don't know, maybe. Maybe for a portal. There we go. There's her trigger.
Hello, Mer Milford.
That's good.
Ahem.
It's a good voice.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Can I help you?
Hello, Mer Milford.
Oh, hello.
Wait, what?
It's der Negrescu.
Oh, I think I
By
forgot to
showing you to your station and
put
getting
one of
you
the
on.
names on there.
Follow me, please.
Alright, that was pretty good. And then I need to make her walk after. I forgot one of the lines, obviously. Oh, hello. Yeah, I forgot to add Graham. There we go. I'm not a big fan of her voice, but I'm going to leave it for now. It's supposed to be a lot less thick accent, but yeah, whatever. Hello, Mr. Milford. Is that Romanian? Is RO Romanian? RO Romanian. Country code. What country is RO? Romanian. Okay. So at least I picked the right country. Okay, so now this is going to trigger a path. Cutscene next area position. Nope, not that. Cutscene character position. That's me. No. How do I do the walking path? I think it's... Wait. Yeah. How do I do the walking path in a cutscene? I do it with Salverson. Do I have to... Let's just look. God damn it. See, I need to document my own stuff. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, so characters. Salverson. So he has a position, and he has a walking path. Oh, shit. Okay, I might not be able to do this then. I can't do a walking path and then do a walking path after the cutscene, I guess. Because this is the cutscene that triggers the path, I'm guessing. Right. Shoot. Well, then we have two options. Either we make it so she doesn't walk towards you. Because I do need to... I have to follow her. So I need to make her move. You know what? I need to add this functionality because I need her to move multiple times after cutscenes. You know what that means? More programming. Okay. How are we going to do this? There's so many configurations already. So, my thing... No, this is a good thing. My brain... we're going to do so many bugs by doing this. You're right. My thing is, I think we should add the walking path to the cutscene. That makes the most sense to me, because I already have the character that it's connected to. So... I should tie the walking path that happens after the cutscene to the cutscene. Whoa! That's a ballsy move you got there, Cubic. But hey, who am I to say no to one of the regs? Welcome to Scotch Time. And we're back. Hey, cheers everybody. Happy Wednesday. It was a 10-year Lafroig scotch, and it's my reg. You know, it's something I like to have around at all times. Not too expensive. I'm kind of a quantity guy at this way. Oh no, you spent all your money. It was worth it. You made your boy happy. Oh god, it's so good. Very peaty. Lafroig is very peaty. And sweet, caramel, cherry. So much good flavor. And the second one I use a lot is Ardbeg. Ardbeg is another one I do. Nobody comes on Twitch anymore, first of all. And then second of all, nobody triggers Scotch Time anymore. Yeah. Indy, who went to bed, he's in Florida right now. He used to do it all the time. And we had a good laugh. And his cousin would come on and end up doing Scotch Time like 4 times. I think I put a limit on Scotch Time because I had to drink a lot that day. And that was, it was fine. Got a pretty good tolerance for Scotch these days. Not a big deal. Okay, so we need to add new functionality. We need to add walking path, which we already have that. It's really easy to add. All I have to do is go into the, get the fuck out of here, Miropelia. A one-time limit? Yeah, per person at least. That was also a problem. One person just doing it a million times. Okay. So let's go to MetaBox. Let's go to list. Let's look up walking path. And this is a repeater field. Yep, here we go. Repeater. Took you a long time. Yeah, well. It definitely adds up if you come every day. I have an account that has 127,000 dormants because I never spend them. And for 100,000 dormants, you could stop the stream for no reason. That's one of the options. And what else? I forgot how long or what did I choose? The metal cover. I made that a lot higher these days too, because I had to make so many metal covers. 20,000. That's not that bad. Oh, is it 200k? Oh, okay. Oh, I guess I can't afford it then. Damn, that would take forever to get. And you'd use it all just to be a dick. That's pretty cool. I would appreciate that. That tenacity. Okay, so we need to add this to the cutscene. 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 Right here. Cool. That's it. Now we have explore path. Let's jump into local now. Actually, it would be cool. Let's pull the database down from production. That way I don't have to create Iona and all that kind of stuff. Oh, it costs us 100k. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't think it actually shuts it down. I just have to shut it down myself, but that would be funny. Oh, hell yeah. They just accepted my song delivery. I have a Fiverr gig. People can hire me to do metal songs. Or like sing on their song or whatever. I did a pretty cool little one. Here, I'll show you. Where is it? Right here. It's short. That's a fun one. Yeah. With a crystal, that would be Poger. What's Poger? I'm guessing that's a typo. Alright, let's pull down the database. And any images. Here we go. We're going live, people. Oh, Pog. Are you talking about Pod? Making him play piano for 1,000 crystals. Oh yeah, that's true. We could do piano. I could make one of those for piano. And while this plays. What? Oh god, I can't get my finger over there. Alright. 1,000. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think I'll definitely make that. The main hand is not in use. I can still play piano, yet I would end up hitting the wrong notes. Yeah. I am ambidextrous. Might be because I grew up playing piano. But I am left-handed. But that's my right hand. Pretty good without looking. I was tested for perfect pitch, but I do not know all the keys by, you know, memory. So even if I know exactly what the note is and I could replicate it, you know, I just can't. I can't remember which one, what it's called. Unfortunately, like, I don't remember which note that is. Wish I could visualize the whole keyboard. Alright. Let's see if it's pulled down now. Ah. Oh, your main hand muscle jitters. Got it. Hey, it's Kev Shep. I really wish It's Kev Shep would talk to me sometimes. I've seen this name a million times. I don't really know. I might know who they are. I don't really remember if I know who they are, though. Talk to me, Kev Shep. Who are you? Alright, let's go into here. I do like that it shows up locally, though. That's pretty cool. Oh my god. Why won't this password ever update? It never asked me to update it. I guess I could do it myself, but I'm lazy. Alright, show thyself. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so now we're going to go to the cutscenes. We're going to go to talk to Iona, and we're going to add a path. And we're going to make her walk now from this path after the cutscene. So we have this path now here. Oh, I guess I could change the name of it. Explore path. I could call it Explore Path After Cutscene. Right? That'd be cool. And now it's Explore Path After Cutscene. Path after cutscene. There we go. See, we need to be more descriptive with our labels. Text-to-speech would be worth 1,000. I need to set that up. I don't have like a text-to-speech system set up. You know, because I created stream avatars myself, so like I'd have to make it. Which I could. It'd be built into my WordPress website, but I could do it. That'd be fun, huh? Nice. He left me a tip, too. Good on ya, angry hedgehog. You're a real one, my friend. You'd show me the ropes? Yeah. It'd be like you're talking to me. Okay, so let's go on the front end of the local site now. And let's go to Thyrus. So she's here now. So she'll walk over here. And after the cutscene, I want her to walk. My office is 1, 2. I think it's 3. Yeah. It's right before the last one. Yeah. So I want her to walk here. Doom da, boom ba. And she needs to walk fast. Because she has super fast. She's very agile, she's very fast. She does DNA manipulation and she's made herself like super strong, super fast. Don't let it cost you 200 crystals with game viewers, but the audience may speak in tongues. Yeah, that's true. I wouldn't doubt that. So let's go ahead and grab the point thing. I want her to walk up to here. Like right in front of my office, basically. Maybe a little bit above it. So 1866, 1552. Wait, which is which? 1856. 1856 and 1552. Cool. So she'll just walk straight up to that position after the cutscene. You can set up using GitHub. Oh. That's cool. What do you mean? GitHub will host it for you, or you mean there's a library on GitHub? That's kind of cool. So let's save this, and now we'll have a path for her to walk. Wait, I'm confused. How did I get him to walk after the cutscene? Oh. It's the same thing. But okay, yeah, okay. It's a library, okay, with a program. Download the zip, blah blah blah, run it through Visual Code. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, and in OBS you just run it anywhere, right? I just need it to be set up to the Twitch API to get chat messages, basically. And I already have access to the Git API because the Twitch API because, you know, I have the Orbem chatters. So my website is set up to run the Twitch API already. That's why I'm saying it would be easy for me to integrate it into that. Why is the fucking stream avatar not moving? It's just stuck in the corner. Come on, son. Let's go. Move. I want to see the little fucking green circle move around. Alright, whatever. It hates me. Forget it. You just hang out in the corner, buddy. Alright, let's check out her HTML now. Doop, 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 doop. So there's her trigger, nice and big. How about you make a Orbem/Twitch and just have Orbem speak instead? Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, I can use the Google text-to-speech API. I can choose any voices too. That'd be fun. Though Google text-to-speech charges. There are free versions, but they suck. Yeah, that'd be cool. And then I can assign voices to your accounts too. You know, like how I do the avatars. I can give you guys all different voices. That'd be fun. Yeah, I'm definitely doing that. That'll be great. That'll be another diversion tactic one day. Yeah, I like that. I can make you sound Australian. Alright, mate. Okay, okay, there it is. Data path. No, that's her walking path. Okay, where's the cutscene? I need to know that one. Cutscene. Map cutscene. Map. Cutscene. There we go. And... oh, duh. I added the path, but I didn't put in the HTML. Let's just go ahead and do that real quick. So we'll go to the cutscene HTML. There we go. We'll grab one more thing, and this is the path. That's trigger. We need path. How are we grabbing paths and other things? Let's go to the characters. Map. Item HTML. So where's the walking path? I'm just gonna copy that because it's kind of, yeah. Well, that's path trigger. Where's the walking path? Because I need to put it into JSON. This is path. Where's the walking? Walking path. Here we go. Where are you? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's just that. Alright. So that's walking path. Ah, shit. I'm gonna have to add, like, speed and stuff, too. I need to add those options. Damn it. Alright, alright. Time between. I'm gonna have to add all this. Okay. Because that's actually cool, though. Because I can control the speed. Oi, mate. It's about bloody time. Sorry, that was British, not Australian. I don't have a good Aussie accent. This will be good, because some cutscenes, maybe you want to run away at the end of them, or maybe I want them to walk really slow. So, it'll be good to be able to control that. So let's go back to cutscene HTML. Here we go. We'll do the same thing, but this is going to be explore path after cutscene. Is that what I said? Let me double check. I forgot. Doop. Dat. Doop. Dat. Doop. I have all these all open for no reason. Explore path after cutscene, yeah. And then we need to add speed and after. What is it? Space between or whatever. Speed. And then time between. Is that what it is? Between. Time between. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you're British now. Oi! I want you Cockney, though. Oi, you British! I want you sound like a dirty British. Dirty British voice. Alright, alright. Speed, time between. Okay, cool. Yeah, we got it right. And we'll leave those the same. I don't need those to be crazy, but I want that to be more descriptive. Nope. We need explore cutscene ID. Alright, I need to mute the game. Too many music clashing. I hate when I watch someone's stream and they have like 2 different musics going at the same time. It's very distracting. I'm like, why are they doing that? So we got walking path, walking speed, and time between. Cool. And we'll add this the same way as the other ones. So let's do walking path, path. And we'll go to, where is it? Walking path, walking path. And we'll do it like this. That's a JSON, time between, we're just copying all this. Path, repeat, trigger, no. Wait, what is this? Explore path. I guess it's like that. Cool. Do it. Do what? Okay, let's go ahead and go back to the cutscene. HTML. Let's do the same thing for the walking path. Why can't you, why won't you find the one? It's your fault, it's your sense of fun. Consistently give up on trying. Sorry. Burst of inspiration. Okay. So we have, this is all done. I think I called it Explore Path, right? What did I do? No, Walking Path, which is set up here. Yeah, okay, cool. So now cutscene should have Walking Path and speed and all that shit. Which I need to actually add the speed and stuff to test it out. So we have speed, we'll do 65, time between, we'll leave default. Cool. So now let's set up the JavaScript to make this walking path walk. You did some research on me? You have not found the award on the book order. You haven't found the award? It's from the, what's it called? It's on my website, hold on. It's on the blog. Wait, is it blog or news? No, it's news. News. No. News. Oh, I need to fix that. Images are all nice. Oh, here we go. Bookfest Awards. That's what it is. And it was 2023. Bookfest 2023. Ooh. Bookfest Awards. Here we go. Spring? Was it spring? I think it was fall, actually, now I think about it. Was it? Oh, wait. I think I put it in the website too, actually. News. It was fall. Fall. Let's go to fall. 2023 Book Awards. Nope, that's American Book Fest. It's oh, here we go. Book fall. I did not get first place. Where is fall 2023? Select award. I got third place. Still won. And it was for sci-fi humorous. I guess I could just search for the actual book. Oh, Orbem. Oh, it's in O's. Down. And that's T's. Yeah, not bad. I mean, there was a lot of books I was going up against, so I'm like, shit, hell yeah. It's my first submission. I was like, let's go. Here it is, Orbem. And it was the old cover too. This is before I re-released it. But yeah, still award-winning book. In this sci-fi portal fantasy, Dr. Graham Milford, a young technologist, invents personal wormhole transportation at a secret research facility full of scientific wonders, which is Thyrus, which is what we're building right now. You want the pic of the old cover? Here, I'll just send you this link. Dum. There you go. And, yeah, this was my old cover designer. It's what I wanted. I asked for this. But then I went to a professional who knew the industry, who knew what sold, and who knew what was, like, contemporary. And, they read the book, and they designed it. So, I trusted it. Oh, yeah, look at all these cool pages that are probably not all here anymore. Yeah. Not great. Hell yeah. Some good assets there. And if you want any of my character art, dude, just go to orbemortar.com/art. I don't have a link on the page for it, but this is a bunch of like high-res images of old covers, all the characters. So these are all the actual characters from the book. Not all of them, but the main characters. And some you need it. Yeah, feel free to use these characters. They are mine. I own them. I will not DMCA you. I don't know if you do that on pictures. Alright. Okay. So now this should have the walking path in the cutscene. So let's go to the map cutscene. Boom, there we go. Now she has the path. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the whole walking logic, which is move NPC. What? Move. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm already there. So this, I'm going to... I mean, I guess all I have to do is send this with the NPC. The problem is I need to add another thing. What's going to say cutscene? Cutscene equals false. So if it's a cutscene, NPC is going to be the cutscene. That's where you're going to get this logic. And we'll do this. Then it'll use that logic to move the character. Now, I also need the character to be the NPC, so I'll have to switch it back. That being said, if it's a cutscene, yeah, I can do that. Okay, cool. So let's do this. If NPC, we'll do this. If false does not equal cutscene, then NPC equals cutscene. So we'll switch it. And we'll do, we'll also send the character as NPC. So we'll do old NPC equals NPC. Perfect. Kind of want to make my own website, but I don't know how to get one. Ah, it's easy, man. I could tell you to get a free website. Unless you want a domain name. That's the only thing you have to pay for these days, is a domain name. Which, you know, I get it. You can't just have a bunch of free domains. Yeah, but I have a free hosting solution that I've used. And I've used it on big websites. So it works. The only problem with them is that they don't give you an SSL for free. That's what makes it HTTPS. It's a one-time $30 fee, and then you'll have HTTPS. But it's a free host, so no monthly fees or anything like that. And I'll tell you how to get there. Right here. freehosting.com. It's pretty self-explanatory. And it works. I've used this a couple times now, and I mean, I'm not sponsored because they don't pay because they're free, but it works, and that's all I care about. Man, I'm really pissed about these stream avatars not working all of a sudden. Oh, hell yeah. You're moving around again. Welcome back to the world, stream avatars. Proud of you. Okay. So, boop, boop, boop. You're free! You're not stuck in the corner. Nobody puts Sama in the corner. That's what I always say. So we'll do that, and then once we get past this, we'll switch back to NPC. So if false does not equal cutscene, then we'll switch NPC equals old NPC. There we go. So now it'll start moving the character. But it's getting the walking path from the cutscene. Smart. Not the corners. Yeah, no, this is smart logic. Okay, so now all we need to do... and old NPC. I guess we should do const old NPC equals false. How about that? Not const. Let. All right, there we go. Now it's happy. So free hosting works pretty easily. You sign up for an account, you set it up, and they have, I mean, it depends what kind of website you want. They offer WordPress. So you can install WordPress on their hosting and just get a WordPress website ready to go. You have your cPanel, your config panel, you have your database. You can basically do everything from their dashboard, and then you could, control everything from freehosting.com. So if you want WordPress, it's a really good solution. That being said, you don't need to use WordPress to run your website, but I don't know what your plans are. They have other things you can install too. I think they have like Drupal and stuff. So, but if you just want a website that works, I suggest WordPress. That's just me. I'm a WordPress programmer for 16 years. And you could ask me questions. AI text-to-speech engines. I want to make my own AI. Why do you want a website then? You want to just host your app or something? Your AI text-to-speech app? Yeah, in that case, WordPress probably wouldn't be your best bet. You probably want like a server-side rendering node website, right? So that people could just hit your endpoints. In that case, I don't know. What does free hosting have? Let's see. Freehosting.com. Web hosting features. Site builder, app installer. So they have PrestaShop now. See, these are all PHP based. Allows you to set up your own online community. No. Joomla. No, I don't know what that. Those are all CMSs. Yeah. Probably not what you want. Yeah, because it's Linux, Apache, PHP, and MySQL. Yeah, none of these are node servers. You do not need the startup. I know how to create my own tools. Yeah, right. You don't need the website builder. Because this isn't going to be a website for you. It's going to be a server. In that case, I just go to like probably DigitalOcean. That's a good cloud hosting solution. And, you can just host your own server and then you can just put whatever you want on it. Or obviously, I think Vercel is the way to go for doing headless apps, which apparently you can do for free for personal projects. Yeah, Vercel's pretty easy actually, and then you could like host things on Vercel really easily as well. I don't know if you've heard of Vercel, but that's what Next.js uses. For like headless websites. Yeah, here you go. Vercel. And they have a stranglehold on the React Next.js stuff. But here, you got an AI chatbot right here. You can clone a template of a Next.js AI chatbot. So you can probably host your own text-to-speech engine. And you basically create a GitHub, and then you deploy from your GitHub to Vercel. It's pretty cool. Very easy. Dope. Alright, back to this bullshit. Alright, so now we need to add... It's not described in the JS docs? Yeah, no shit. I just added it. Alright, there we go. So now we need to add move NPC to after cutscene. So after cutscene, this one. So after cutscene, See, this is trigger walking path if selected as and has path. This is what happens if you select it as after the cutscene. Use the walking path. So this gets it from the character, but we want to get it from the cutscene. So what I can do, that's interesting. I forgot I did that. Push NPC. That's actually really good. This. So all I need to do, oh, I didn't even think about that. Trigger walking path. Oh, yeah. I'm just sending the person. Okay, that's fine. That's not what I want. But this is basically what I want. Oh my god, they're making a Bad Guys 2 movie. That's interesting. Bad Guys 2. So now we'll do if cutscene has walking path. Walking path. Move NPC after cutscene. Perfectos. So if, and now what we're gonna do is const cutscene walking path, and that's basically gonna be the cutscene data set, which is cutscene data set. Actually, yeah. Dot path. Wait, what did I call it? I forgot what I called it. I would always use my 3 Windows 7 desktops as one storages and processing. One had the files, this and the other, blah, blah, blah. Nah, man. Get in the cloud. Stop doing shit manually. You don't need your own servers anymore. Honestly, I mean, I don't know how fluent you are with the AWS ecosystem, but if you want to host a Node app and do like serverless stuff, just like Lambdas, and Lambdas have gotten very powerful, where they're way quicker than anything else. I would create APIs that just hit Lambdas, which I've done plenty of times. And I just get an AWS account, host my own, you know, ECS server or whatever. That might have been a redundant statement. Where's the cutscene? Map cutscene. Data path. Yeah, I'm right. So data path. So I don't need that. I don't need the path. I just need to know if it has a path. Cutscene has path. So this. And oops, shit. And this does not equal, and I think I do this where, oh no, I just need to know if it exists. I already do that in HTML. So yeah, undefined does not equal that. Cool. So cutscene has path, then we pass the cutscene to move NPC. Move NPC. And now the NPC is going to be the NPC, and the cutscene is going to be the cutscene. So NPC, I need to get from the cutscene, which would be cutscene character. So cutscene character and cutscene. This should work right off the bat. This should work. Crap. I forgot to rename the textures. Uh-oh. Alright, sorry. Let's check it. So we're going to talk to her and see if it works. So first things first, she can walk towards me. And now after the cutscene, she should walk away from me. Blender hit truck on a shrimp by OpenAI. So I had to rename it. Ah. That's funny. Are you good with Blender? I really want to be better with Blender. It's so hard. It's like sculpting. It's not just normal. It's not like a normal CAD program. It's like sculpting 3D objects. Oh, look at that! It worked! After the cutscene. Oh, shit. Well, I didn't expect that to happen. What happened? She walked away, and then she came back with her evil twin. What the hell was that? That was terrifying. Wait, she's still moving. Okay, hold on. I need repeat to be off. I think it's on repeat. I mean, maybe I should have repeat as an option, but I need this to not happen. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's not wander. Where's repeat logic? Do I repeat by default? No, see, repeat path is an option. NPC. Yeah, no, it's false. So why is it walking back and forth like that? You only use it for short film or memes? Oh, okay. What is she doing? No, I meant to get Iona. What is she doing? Is she still walking? No, she walked away. But why'd she walk away and then walk back and then walk away? That was really weird. Huh. Is the trigger still there? See, I need to remove all triggers when they're done. So let's go back and remove those triggers. I don't know why I haven't already done that. Let's go to Miro Explore. And I need to change some trigger logic. Communicate trigger, no. Sign area, no. No. I need like, here we go, cutscene trigger. So, if trigger, trigger the triggy. That's engage enemy. Okay. Why would I do that? It seems like that's all this does is trigger the enemy attack. Okay, well let's leave that alone. Here we go. Explainer triggy. That's fine. Processing so bad. Well, but the only computer that can run is supposed to be recalled years ago. Ooh. But it's worth the risk. Processing so bad, even the creator removed it from its history. That's funny. What is this? Oh. Why am I rotating stuff? Oh, this is for the arrow. Okay, never mind. Okay, path trigger. Here we go. NPC path trigger. I need to remove it. So instead of saying already hit, I need to remove it. I don't know why I wouldn't just fucking remove it. Doesn't make any sense. And then same with the cutscene trigger. Where's that? Yeah, see, I'm removing the mission one. Where's the cutscene? Cutscene trigger right here. Cutscene triggy. Value contains. Okay, trigger cutscene if overlapping cutscene trigger. Oh, I already do that. How come hers isn't removed then? Oh. Yeah, see, I don't... Oh, okay, because I'm hitting it. Yeah. Until I actually click it, it doesn't. Okay, that's fine. I don't care about that. Alright, let's see if this fixes at least the weird walking stuff. You can only run Blender 2.90 cents. It still has live world feedback. What does that mean? Like physics? Why would they get rid of that? So she walks away. And then she walks back. Like a psycho. And then she goes away again. Oh, is it because it's looking at her data path, maybe? Like if... Maybe that's why. Hold on, let me see. Is that part of the move NPC? Because I do switch back to the character after getting the walking path. I wonder if it loops back and tries to get it again. Oh, no, you mean you cannot run anything higher than that. Oh, okay. Your computer would have to be recalled. That's funny. Okay. So we're getting the path array, but do we get it again? We go here, NBC, path array, current image, loop amount, we have the path array still, NPC, path array still, so that's fine, it moves. And that's the first run. This is tracking the NPC. NPC style. Yeah, but the path, the walking path doesn't seem to switch at all. Interesting. So I wonder why she's going to the right position, but then coming back. I'm already pushing it using 2.91. No, I mean the path is working, like I said, but then it continues, it goes back. I don't know why she's going back though. She should just stop. Because there's no repeat logic. Repeat path is off, obviously. Yeah, because this doesn't exist. So that's false, so it shouldn't repeat. Well, let's see at least. I don't know. Let's see what's getting hit and why. Because first run seems to work fine. But, like, is repeat path getting hit? I don't know. Let's just see. First of all, let's make sure it's not repeat path. And then second of all, let's see this shit right here. Like, why and where she's moving. Yeah, the paths are on the loop. She's just too fast. Yeah, the paths are on the loop, but I only have one path destination in the JSON object, so it should only go to that. So it's like right here. So I have top and left right here. This is the data path. No, not this one. The cutscene one. So I passed it to the cutscene path, and then it's supposed to just go there and stop. But for some reason, it's looping all weird. So there's definitely some conflict going on. Wait, what is this undefined for? Alright, well, it's undefined, whatever. So that's done. So now when I talk to her, it goes to this destination. I'm waiting for her to come back. There we go. It hits it again, which is weird. Okay, she's not coming back. I wonder if it's because I'm hitting the trigger again. Or I was. Let me see. Let me move around. No, now it worked. See, I think it was the trigger. I think me removing the trigger fixed it. So now she should be at my office. You have to update the computer. Oh no. There she is. So now I should have another cutscene right here. And I can put another trigger up here. Its own program does not support the new Windows. Oh no. That sucks. So this is my office. This is going to have a bunch of furniture in here that I have to create, that I have to drag into position and reorganize. And she's going to tell me about that. Cool. I think it works. Let's get rid of the console logs. I was worrying over nothing. It seemed like it was just like cache. But removing the trigger seems like it fixed it. Alright. I am stoked. So now we can push this up. This functionality. And now going forward, after any cutscene, I can move a character. So that means I can move the same character multiple times with multiple cutscenes, which is what I'm going to do in this case. Well, hey everybody. If you've hung out this long, then I appreciate you being here. And don't forget about flex keys. If you want to support the channel and you want to support your fingers, that's the best way to do it. And you want to support me and the game and the book series and the music, buy flex keys. It's $4.99. Ships real quick anywhere in the US, and you can get it in any color combination, like I said before. And I really hope that everybody has had an amazing time watching me create a brand new functionality. In fact, we're going to push this live right now. And honestly, labor of love. This game engine is going to be pretty revolutionary to the WordPress world. And anybody that doesn't understand, you know, the WordPress community and hasn't been part of it for a long time, you know, probably thinks this is kind of stupid. But honestly, this is something new and it's different. WordPress is very stale, and you know, its functionalities are stale. So when people come up with random functionalities like this that can actually make an impact, you know, making WordPress kind of fresh again, it's rare. So and you know, I've been part of a lot of WordPress, you know, changes and stuff like that, and worked with a bunch of companies that have done some really cool things in WordPress, including integrating with Google AMP, you know, XWP and stuff like that, and done some really cool projects. But this might be really cool, and I hope you enjoy being part of the journey. Oh no, great. Sama's computer blew up. I am very sorry about that. But hey, I'm gonna check out. You know, I started early, I'll end a little early. But don't forget to subscribe and follow, like this video, watch the VOD, tell your friends if you can. And go ahead and jump onto Twitch too, and follow me there. You can have a better experience, you know, at least interacting. So, hey, I know everybody already left, but have a great night. Anybody watching in the future, I hope you come in person and talk to me. Again, hang out with Orbem Order, and orbemortar.com is where you can play the game, buy the stuff, and all that shit. So, Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Goodbye.